Welcome to JH. People are currently discussing a tirzepatide microneedle patch that supposedly aids in rapid weight reduction, glucose management, and cardiovascular health. It is being marketed as a major innovation for individuals struggling with obesity, diabetes, and chronic conditions. Please note this information is for educational purposes rather than a sales pitch, and you must consult a medical professional before starting any new regimen. There are several critical red flags regarding this product. First, it falsely claims to have FDA approval. In reality, the FDA has only authorized tirzepatide in injectable forms, such as Mounjaro, not as a patch. Scammers often display low-quality, blurry FDA documents to appear authentic. Furthermore, they promise impossible results, like losing 30 pounds in a single month or over 50 pounds within 3. Such rapid weight loss is unrealistic even with professional medical supervision. The marketing also suggests the patch is painless and free of side effects, which contradicts known data about tirzepatide. This medication typically causes nausea, vomiting, and various digestive issues. Another concern involves fraudulent endorsements from Stanford professors and organizations like the American Diabetes Association or the Obesity Society. No evidence of these partnerships exists on official websites, and using these names without authorization is highly deceptive. Ultimately, this patch offers significant promises without providing actual evidence. While flashy advertisements and dramatic testimonials are enticing, you should remain cautious. Such products might result in financial loss or physical harm. Always prioritize a conversation with your healthcare provider before exploring any new medical treatments.